Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is, maybe, there we go, the 27th of February, 2019. Weather today, we are looking at cold. It is 26 degrees outside, for a high, low temperature 8. If you haven't noticed, 90% chance of snow. Going backwards. Come on, Mr. Kramer. Trying to rush. Alright, here we go. Weather. Already did that. PBIS expectation, we're talking about the playground, being safe in the playground, staying in the area. Probably not going to go outside today, too cold. Rochambeau for solution. Taking turns, following the rules of play. They've been posted, you know what they are. Report all problems to an adult. Hands and feet to yourself. Keep them to yourself, people. Easy to do. Two whistles, 2-minute warning, 3 whistles. Go ahead and line yourself up. Punchki orders are due no later than this Friday. That's me having a really good Captain Crunch donut. Not a Punchki, but it's darn good out in Portland, Oregon. Let's see. Lunch today, you got pizza with some crunchy baby carrots. Tomorrow, you're looking at a hot dog with some crunchy baby carrots, so enjoy those. Special announcements. First Lego team meeting today. So if you are a member of that team, hopefully you have permission to stay after school. And door decorating contest. Remember, kids only. You guys are the ones that are supposed to do it. Teachers can help with ideas and that kind of stuff. Please make sure that you're decorating the outside of your door. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. Here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all, those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers!